So, world famous. Famous for being good or bad?
Just famous.
Famous.
Worldwide.
Gambling, and you can hear these old lights still.
Flickering.
Sounds like a cricket or a moth trying to get in a window. They got looser sluts here. La High Limit, El Cortez. High limit's $1, huh? Look at that. Machine knows I'm here. $100 spin. Let's go.
Alright, let's get this party started, Bill. You ready?
I don't know. Maybe it's further down that way. There's more over here.
First thing down the draw, $500. $500 winner is Crystal M 5419.
And we're back.
Next $200 winner is Al Val.
Kung Fu Master. Where'd it go? There we go. $37 on third 12. Alright, here we go. Here we go. 37 on third 12. All or nothing.
How long does it take?
The suspense is killing me. What is it? What is it? Yo! We walked into El Cortez and came out El Winners.